Here's a scary stat. The average person spends 47% of their waking hours lost in thought, worrying about the future, replaying the past, or stuck in mental loops that drain their energy. Sound familiar? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you just 5 minutes a day could rewire your brain to focus better, stress less, and actually enjoy the present moment? No meditation cushions required. Let's dive in. Mindfulness gets a bad rap. People think it's all about sitting cross-legged for hours or clearing your mind, which, newsflash, is impossible. But real mindfulness is secretly practical. It's like hitting Control plus Alt plus Del for your brain while you brush your teeth or walk to work. So today, I'm sharing the 5 easiest habits I stole from neuroscientists and productivity geeks. These are so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't tried them yet. Here's the game plan. We'll cover the 5-4-3-2-1 reset for instant calm, the mundane task hack, yes, even unloading the dishwasher counts, the distraction detox without deleting apps, the gratitude glitch rewires negativity bias, the bedtime brain dump for deeper sleep. And yes, I'll explain why step 3 will save you 2 hours a day. Habit number 1, the 5-4-3-2-1 reset. Ever feel like your brain's a browser with 100 tabs open? Try this right now. 5 things you see. Example, that weird coffee stain. 4 things you feel. Your socks, the air conditioning. 3 things you hear. Traffic, your breath. 2 things you smell, even if it's just your laundry pile. 1 thing you taste. Gum, coffee, lunch regret. Boom, you just hacked your nervous system. This forces your brain out of overthinking and into the present. Do it anytime stress hits. Habit number 2, the mundane task hack. Mindfulness doesn't need extra time. Attach it to something you already do, like brushing your teeth. For 30 seconds, focus only on the taste of toothpaste, the sound of bristles, the water on your hands. Your brain will wander. That's fine, just gently refocus. This trains your attention like a muscle. Habit number 3, the distraction detox. Here's the one rule that saves hours. Never check a notification on the first buzz. Your brain gets addicted to the ping, dopamine. Instead, pause, take one breath, then ask, is this urgent or just tempting? 90% of the time, you'll ignore it. Congrats, you just won back your focus. Habit number 4, the gratitude glitch. Your brain's wired to spot problems thanks evolution. Counter it with micro-gratitude while waiting in line. Name one thing that didn't go wrong today. Before eating, think of one person who made this meal possible. It sounds cheesy, but it physically reduces stress hormones. Try it for 3 days, you'll feel lighter. Habit number 5, the bedtime brain dump. Ever lie in bed while your brain replays every awkward thing you've ever done? Grab a notebook and write 3 tiny wins. Even made my bed counts. Jot down one worry, then literally add, I'll handle this tomorrow. This tells your brain we're closed for the night. You'll fall asleep faster and wake up clearer. So there you go, 5 stupid simple habits to train your brain without overhauling your life. Pick one to try today. I'd start with number 3, it's a game changer. And hey, if your mind wanders, that's normal. Mindfulness isn't about perfection, it's about noticing and gently coming back. That's where the magic happens. Hit subscribe if you want more bite-sized brain hacks. Now go enjoy your lighter, more focused mind. You've got this.